Hello guys, it's me Abrel. I don't know how to speak. I don't know how to speak English. But let's go cook. Name this game is generic cooking game. Salmon fillet. Let's cook this. Poop. Ow. Salmon, pepperoni, bacon, salmon. We say fish. So girl, the salmon. Fillet machine. Where is fillet machine? Butter station. Just take some plate. Some plate and put this here. And it just be done. Yeah. That's it. That's not a salmon. But anyways. Let's guess my some salt, shiki, my god, shiki, and done. The 4, the 5. Let's go save it. Here you go, mom.